This is the harsh reality of camping deep in Alaska.
Uh-oh, that's not good. Car doesn't want to start, and it sounds like it's the battery. It's 0 degrees Fahrenheit right now, so I wouldn't be surprised if the battery's so cold that it just doesn't want to start. Make sure it doesn't overheat. I just need to raise the temperature of the battery like 20-30 degrees. I don't need to boil it. All right, that's feeling warm. I'm gonna try to warm up the engine block and see if that helps. Fortunately, the engine block is way back there. I gotta be careful. This K-Truck is sitting on top of 18 inches of snow. The snow gives way and it settles, it's gonna squish me. All right, we're gonna give that 30 minutes or so and see if that doesn't help. It's warm, but it's not hot. Obviously, this is a little bit sketchy. Gotta make sure you don't catch anything on fire or melt any wires or anything. Oh, it's like a Cheech and Chong video in here. The smoke coming out. Aha! Woohoo! This is living in Alaska in a nutshell. Stuff goes wrong, things break, and you just gotta deal with it. You know, it's not like I could call a tow truck.